In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a transparent cube in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead and go in the search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. Okay, so we need to insert a cube first. So click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Here you'll find Shapes. Click on this drop down. And here under Basic Shapes, we can find Cube. Okay, click on that. And then click on the plus sign symbol to draw a cube. Okay. So as you can see, it is not transparent. So to make this transparent is that we have to select the cube first. And then here you will find the shape format tab at the ribbon. And here you can find shape fill. Click on this drop down and choose no fill. For the shape outline, you have here for a block. And then click on this drop down. And for the weight, you can simply increase this. And that's it, okay? That's how you can easily make a transparent cube in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.